Hi, we're the Thompsons, and we're flood victims from the recent Houston, Texas storms. Our home and community flooded after a nearby creek overflowed. It inundated our home and neighborhood with over 3 feet of nasty, diseasy smelling floodwaters. We managed to evacuate with very little money or resources.
Fortunately, Texas Disaster Recovery and Relief was a lifesaver at the time. They reached out to help us and provided us with a hotel voucher for a week and a Visa gift card. We had no clue how we'd get through this, but with their help, we've relocated to a better home and have new jobs close by. Big thanks to Texas Disaster Recovery and Relief.